Pawsville Football Frenzy. Welcome, sports fans, to Pawsville Stadium. Get ready for the furriest football face-off you've ever seen. Here come the teams. Team Cats, sleek and silent, led by the cool Whiskers. And Team Dogs, a bouncing, barking bundle of energy, with Duke leading the charge. The whistle blows, and it's on. The dogs explode into action. Duke's leading the charge, Dash is a blur, and Bruno's bulldozing through. But the Cats are countering with style. Meowrio's spinning, Mittens is dodging, their poetry in motion. Tensions rising as Duke and Whiskers meet at midfield. A playful growl, an arched back, and BAM. They're tumbling, rolling, and laughing. Seconds left, scores tied, and the ball's in the air. Mittens leaps, a mid-air headbutt. Slow motion. It's heading for the goal. Bella dives, but it slips past her paw. Goal. The Cats win. Cats are leaping, dogs are howling. But wait, it's all good fun. Tails wagging, paws shaking, the teams come together. Cheers erupt as the game ends in laughter and tail chases. Rematch next week? You bet.